Pampered bees, the OZer style. Today I'm going to check my West Colony. I'm not seeing the activity on the porch that I'm expecting, and took vids of it a couple of days ago. This is 2 days later. Initial vids you'll see, and I will be getting into this hive and seeing what's going on. We will see. January 15th, 2015. The East Colony is very active, but I don't see anything in the West Colony. Nothing really showing me there's any bees. Very, very few bees are coming out of the West Colony. And I want to find out if we have a dead hive, and if the only bees coming out of the colony are the robber bees from the East Colony, which can't happen. So I'm going to tear this down and take it from there. Not pleased. I don't understand what's happening, but very happy the East Colony is showing the activity that it is. It's very active. Don't kill me. This is the pad that I've been using. So I'll clean through here. This is the back of the board in here. Let's see what's going on. Should be all dead space. It is so far. This is not good. Come on. This is what I was using for a back of the board. The other one has this one in place in a This not good. Totally empty. Like so. Here. Hang on, that one. sensor I have in here. There's no bees coming out. There's nobody worried about what's going on. There's nobody here. Here we do have honey and some brood. Definitely brood. But it's all dead brood probably. Not bad. They didn't build down very far onto the cones. Not brood. Nothing in here. There's no bees in here. Yeah, you can see where they've stalled. Here's a bee. You think that would bring bees out, don't you? Okay, I got a few bees in here. Key, make sure you run these as you take them out. The comb internally does fit to the comb next to it. These are in the perfect. Oh, I didn't tell you. I may find something in here. I'm not sure. Yes. Okay. Alright. Find bees in here. There are bees in here. I'm not going to lift this comb. Good, there's bees in here. So, keep that in mind. Come on, gather. So go back up. All right. Yes. Yes. Come on, close her back up. We have bees. We're going back in there. I'm seeing bees. That's good. I've gone into the hive and I'm pleased with what I saw. So I'm not going to suit up, because they're getting feisty, and take care of the rest of the hive. Put in some new food. Okay, and follow up on the earlier vid I was doing. Hive is wrapped back up. I discovered that it probably helps to have your batteries charged in your camera. It probably does. Could be wrong about that. But the batteries went dead, and my filming of it, wrapping the hive back up, didn't happen, no big deal. But the hive's back wrapped up, the temperature sensor back in there a little bit deeper this time. They're both reading 58 degrees inside. I have the heaters off right now for the heating pads, and within the hives they're still ready to just short of 60 degrees on the sensors. This is the OZer, Pampered bees. The West Colony has bees. I was worried. I'm not sure still what's going on, but the West Colony has bees. This is the OZer, Pampered bees. We love all you bee people, and please do it all as always. Please do. Love bees. Take care.